standing in the rain with his head hung low. Couldn't get a ticket, it was a sold-out show. Heard the roar of the crowd, he could picture the scene. Put his ear to the wall, and like a distant scream, he heard one guitar just blow him away. Saw stars in his eyes, and the very next day bought a beat-up six in a second-hand store. Didn't know how to play it, knew for sure that one guitar felt good in his hand. Didn't take long to understand. Just one guitar slung way down low was a one-way ticket, only one way to go. So he started rocking, ain't never gonna stop. Gotta keep on rocking, someday gonna make it to the top and be a jukebox hero. He's a jukebox hero. He just one guitar. Jukebox hero. He'll come alive. In a town of pain, in a heavy downpour, he cast his own shadow by the backstage door, like a trip through the past. That day in the rain, and that one guitar made his whole life change. Now he needs to keep it rocking. He just can't stop. Gotta keep on rocking. That boy has got to stay on top and be a jukebox hero. He's a jukebox hero. Yeah, jukebox hero. With that one guitar, he'll come alive tonight. He's gotta keep it rocking. Just can't stop. Gotta keep on rocking. That boy has got to stay on top and be a jukebox hero. He's a jukebox hero. Put stars in his eyes. Now he's just a jukebox hero.
Alrighty. Oh, you're coming down here for me. Awesome. All right, Jeff Boodle in this number one spot. You're no stranger to a podium ever. Here you are in number one out here at Durhamtown. How you feel?
Great. I mean, it was fun racing on the new improvements on the TV track. I mean, it was great. One of the best tracks is conditions ever been in. But first off, I just want to thank all the Durhamtown staff, Robin, Pat, Mike, everybody who does the track work. It was phenomenal. It was great. And I can't thank my dad, my parents, family, friends, Method Wheels, Fug 21 Fuel Additives, Hoosier Tire, Cryptic Side by Side, Freedom Race Slips, Dirt Launch, Power Sports, and everyone else I forgot. Thank y'all all for helping me out, and glad to be back up here.
Awesome. Well, congratulations. Let's give it up one more time for our 1, 2, and 3. Move on over here. Look, he already knows. Obviously, you were just up here, but here you are in the number 2 spot. You were in a different vehicle for this main event. You had some little unfortunate stuff with your other car, but out here in number 2 spot, starting from dead last, you guys, if you didn't see this race, up here in number 2. How do you feel about that race?
Yeah, it was also fun learning and picking off everyone going by. It was good seat time and just how to learn how to pass, you know. But having bad luck in the turbo car, I mean, qualified first and then on like the start blowing a transmission. So having 100 horse down and coming through the field with the NA car is not too bad. So we was gonna be up in the first spot, but you know, racing happens, and Hank Hall did great. Ariel did great too. I mean, all the racers were great out there, and just want to thank everyone I thanked before. Durhamtown, I mean, they've been a great supporter of us in our program. I mean, my first race was here, and I basically started my career here. So great to have them, and them continue to support us, and us support them. So it's and also I want to thank Hoosier Tire, Method Wheel, Cryptic Side by Side, Fug 21 Fuel Additives, Dirt Launch Power Sports, Freedom Race Lift, Yamaha Racing, and everyone else I forgot. Thank y'all.
Well, congratulations. Basically, out here at your home track then.
Yep.
All right, congratulations.
I've watched a California sunset burn from orange to gold. Bought a pawn shop 6-string, sold my soul to rock and roll. Say if you ain't busy living, then you're just dying slow. I wanna say I've done it all by the time it's time to go. Where and when and what'll be the death of me, well, heaven only knows. It might be the highway, it might be these songs, it might be the whiskey or the smoke inside these lungs. Ain't no way around it, one day I'm gonna die. Something's gonna kill me, might as well be what makes me feel alive. I've loved a damn good woman, I've had to let one go. Rode life's roller coasters, mountain highs and valley lows. Broke a hundred on 2 wheels, found revival on the road. The devil's always on my heels, but I keep him on his toes. And it might be the highway, and it might be these songs, it might be the whiskey or the smoke inside these lungs. Ain't no way around it, one day I'm gonna die. Something's gonna kill me, might as well be what makes me feel alive.
Interview, please, interview. Well, right now we got Jeb Boodle in 3rd place in the R-Max. He is driving his heart out. He could be better. She's telling him what he's doing right now. He could be a little better. You know, I think he's driving a little slower than he needs to, but he's maintaining a pretty decent pace, about the fastest he can probably do. There's a car behind you, don't get run over. But he just passed a guy in the pit right here, about halfway, a little over halfway through the race, about 2 hours and 18 minutes through, and he is in 3rd place. Awesome. Thank you very much. The light bar, it's in his lap.
It might be the highway, and it might be these songs. It might be the whiskey or the smoke beside these lungs. Ain't no way around it. One day I'm gonna die. Something's gonna kill me, might as well be what makes me feel alive. I've made my peace with God. I ain't afraid to die. If something's gonna kill me, might as well be what makes me feel alive.
All right, Mr. Jeb Boodle, you're up here in this number 2 spot. You guys were having a good time out there running in your RMAX.
Yeah, it was tough, but I'm sure it impressed me. I'm sure Yamaha would be proud of how durable they made that machine. I mean, it's bone stock. I mean, we didn't done nothing to it except add radio wires in it to talk to the team and my passenger. But very durable car from bone stock, and it was very hard on me. But you know, we made it. We got it to second. But I can't thank Durhamtown for putting this event on. I mean, it's great. Second time doing an endurance race, and it was a blast. I mean, track was awesome. It was technical at some spots, fast in some others. So, and I also can't thank my passenger, Cade Huggapillar, with the Team 904 team. I mean, he had to hold my light bar the whole race because it fell off like the first lap. So he was over there. He made a good light bar mount, but then I got to thank my dad, my mom, my family, friends, everyone to help me get here this weekend. Method Wheels, Cricket Side by Side, Fug 21 Fuel Additives, Freedom Race Slips, Dirt Launch Power Sports, Seal Savers, iBach, and everyone else I forgot. Thank you.
Okay, I got one question for you. How did that light bar come off? Because we were talking in the pits, wondering, did you hit like a G out and it just came off, or what happened?
Probably forgot to tighten the bolts before I got in the car, but knowing me, but yeah, it was interesting.
Well, at least it was the bolts on the light bar possibly, and not your lug nuts.
Yeah, no kidding.
Well, congratulations on that number 2 spot. All right.